In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form on Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional contact page that makes it easy for visitors to reach you. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen for the Pages panel. Open it and choose the option to add a new page. When the page gallery appears, select the Contact category. This section is packed with ready-made layouts that already include a contact form, so you don't have to build one from scratch. Pick a design that fits your brand and workflow. You'll see a prompt reminding you that you can customize the page by changing text, images, and more. Go ahead and confirm by clicking Add Page. If you're asked to confirm again, just click Add Page one more time. Then click Done to close the gallery and return to the editor. Back in the editor, open your Pages panel if it isn't already visible and switch to your new contact page. Click directly on the Contact section to select it. When it's selected, on-screen controls and highlights appear. Use these to edit the headline, supporting text, and any descriptive copy so it reflects your business and the kinds of inquiries you want to receive. If your chosen layout includes images or a background, click those highlights to swap in visuals that match your brand. Next, click on the form itself to reveal its options. You can refine the field labels and placeholder text, keep only the fields you need, and adjust the Submit button's text to be more inviting. Take a moment to tidy spacing and alignment. Dragging edges or using the handles will help the form breathe on the page and improve readability. If you see additional highlighted controls for design, use them to adjust colors, borders, and typography so everything feels consistent with the rest of your site. As you work, you may encounter prompts to confirm your page selection or layout. If an Add Page button appears again, simply confirm until the new contact page is fully added and visible in your page list. Continue using the on-canvas highlights to make final tweaks to the section and form until you're happy with how it looks. When everything is set, head to the top corner of the editor and click Publish. This pushes your changes live so visitors can access your contact form. After publishing, click Done to finish up. That's it. Your contact page is